Hello everyone, welcome to Plutus IS. Today in the part series of UP PCS mains in the paper 6, we are going to talk about as we have started the soils of Uttar Pradesh. So in that part 1 we have already covered, because as we can see the soil is actually divided mainly into your 5 sections in the Uttar Pradesh region. So first one is your, okay, wait a minute. So in the part 1 already we have introduced and everything, because this is your part 2. So we are going to talk about the second zone. Actually we will start with the central plain zone. I'll tell you, I'll try to just connect because it is needed, and then I'll shift to there. Okay, so this is the part, the main, actually the soil, the full region of that soil of Uttar Pradesh is actually divided into your 4 regions. Okay, the first one is alluvial soil, the second one is salty and the saline soil, third one is sandy loamy soil, fourth one is red soil, and fifth one is black or regular soil. Okay, here one thing I really want to talk about, that this is something has been mentioned in the Uttar Pradesh government site in that sugarcane bay. So you can see somewhere also the division of the soil will be going to occur on the basis of the region. But here such जैसे कि we have in that series of Uttar Pradesh paper UPPCS paper mains paper 6 में I have already done that geoclimatic division है ना. So in that I have divided this like that. So this is your one of the region for the geoclimatic, of course relating with the agriculture. This is the second region, and this is the plateau region, right? So this is also you can find the division and you can answer also, but better this is a government exam, so we should connect like that. Here we have actually divided on the basis of types of soil, not on the basis of the regional soil. Okay, chalo. So in that alluvial soil we have already covered. The alluvial soil is actually divided into the Bhabar and Tarai. Sorry, Bhabar and Tarai, then the western plain zone, here one, then the mid-western plain zone, the southwestern. That means suppose that if we are talking that this is your alluvial plain area, okay. So if we say that in that sense, if you say this is your alluvial plain area, so first the northernmost region of that alluvial plains, it will be considered as your Bhabar. Okay, where the soil particles are in the form of the boulders, right? Then below that there is a tarai. Bhabar के नीचे आपका तराई, ठीक है? Then actually it is start with that alluvial plains, है ना? So comparative to the Bhabar, there is tarai. उसकी जो soil की particles की size है, it is a little bit smaller. That is why the boulders, because the structure of the Bhabar soil is your a little bit boulder type, so it is not very good for agriculture. But here the forest area, it is actually your lower Himalayas, right? This is your lower Himalayas, the Shivalik ranges, you can say, consider like that. So here the Bhabar region is actually good for that big trees having that root system, such as your oak, teak, shisham and such kind of areas, but not very good for that agriculture purpose. Then Tarai, compared to the Bhabar, the soil structure is a little bit smaller. Then we talk about that alluvial. Alluvial में भी आपका 10 dividend Bhangar and Khadar. Bhangar and Khadar. Okay, so this is something we are going to talk about in the today lecture about the central plain zone. Okay, so we have already covered that Bhabar region, we have covered Tarai region, we have covered in the part 1. You guys can go and see there. And today we are going to start about the soil of Gangetic Plain. Okay, so as we have already connected the previous one lecture, so still I just want to talk why the soil. Why we are discussing the soil? First of all, you need to know that because Uttar Pradesh is agriculture dominating country, right? In the so many crops, if we talk about the types of crop, Kharif, Rabi and Zaid, so many crops of at national level UP ranks first, such as your wheat, है ना? Sugar cane के साथ always competition चलता है. Sugar cane कभी महाराष्ट्र है, कभी UP है, but is currently the UP is actually number 1, right? So soil is one of the major factor to know about UP or Uttar Pradesh state or any state where the agriculture is dominating. More than 50 to 55% of the population is depending on the agriculture. So we must know as an administrator why the UPPCS has included this. We know that now the UPPCS examination has not optional subject. Now the paper 5 and paper 6, that's what you're talking about, the paper 6, right? Okay. So now we talk about that soil of Gangetic Plains. Okay. So what is the soil of Gangetic Plains? Even if we do not know anything, specifically UP, still we know that with the respect of the Indian geography, that Gangetic Plains is one of that plain area which is actually formed through the sedimentation of rivers. right, through the sedimentation of river. And river is carrying the sedimentation from, river भी तो sedimentation carry करनी चाहिए, and why the sedimentation is good for? So that's how you connect all the aspect. Like why, suppose that if the simple question is a very simple question, why the Gangetic plain or the central plain area or that this wala region is good for agriculture crops. Majority of your Uttar Pradesh agriculture crops actually grown in this area. Why? First of all, this is a very nutrient rich soil. Okay, fine, but why again? Because the rivers coming from that, or better say Himalayas or the Himalayan river, are comparatively to your other rivers like South Indian rivers, or better say, if even if you're not comparing, do not need to compare, then this river are अभी तक still it's in youth. ठीक है, so आप ऐसे कंसीडर कर लो, बिकॉज हिमालयंस इज द न्यूएस्ट वन लैंड फॉर्म है ना. वी जनरली लिसन दैट, वी मस्ट हैव बीन हर्ड दैट इंडिया इज वन ऑफ दैट लैंड और एरिया जहाँ पे अरावली इज द ओल्डेस्ट वन एंड हिमालयस इज द न्यूएस्ट वन. ठीक है, तो मतलब आपका न्यूएस्ट वन है, तो व्हेन यू प्रिपेयर समथिंग न्यू इट हैज अ टेंडेंसी ऑफ इरोजन है ना. सपोज दैट यू हैव क्रिएटेड द soil ka something pot or something like that, if it is not properly dried up or set up hai na, you haven't burned it if properly, if you put the water in it and which is with the speed, with the water is actually in the speed hai na, the water has a speed, then it will have the chances that the erosion of that pot will going to occur hai na. Similar occurs there. So there's a three stage we talk about even about the river: the youth stage, the mature stage and the adult stage, or that old stage, better say that old stage, youth stage, mature stage and the old stage. And when we cover the geography, we also cover that this is the area of the erosional. When we cover the landform, this is the area of the sedimentation. Mature में almost आपको दोनों हो रहा होता है. ठीक है, so sedimentation starts, so that means in that height, because Himalayas are very good height, so rivers up normal pan डालो, like suppose that if you are flowing the water up to your like normal level, if you are flowing the water up to a certain height level, having that potential energy obviously. ठीक है, तो they have the tendency, the river coming from the Himalaya, they have tendency to erode, and because of this erosion is coming with that rivers, and here in the mature stage they actually what they do, they do that sedimentation in that nearby area. So actually alluvial plain or central plain is made up of every single, because of course they are the rivers है ना, so every single year there's a renewal of that nutrient which is coming from the form of the sediment which is coming from that mountainous river. But okay, chalo we cover. So this is something basic thing, because why it is your one of that agriculture dominating region है ना, या फिर again there actually the multiple aspect, availability of water, types of soil है ना, like so many things, irrigation, yeah, climate, so many things there are there, plains, geomorphology, but now we're going to talk about with respect to the soil. Okay, so the soil of the Gangetic plains have been developed in quaternary period, of course, in that Eon era period, which we know that tertiary and quaternary, as a result of the sedimentary deposition. ऐसे consider करो, what if you're not even getting the quaternary period, it is the last one. The currently which is going, it is called the quaternary period. I hope इसके पहले tertiary period था, ठीक है? The sedimentary deposition by the Himalayan rivers as Ganga and Yamuna, and their tributaries, of course, alluvial soils of this region of the state are the largest soil group. That means, of course, if we talk about, sorry, if we talk about this map of UP, so alluvial soil or the central plain is consisting that largest zone. That means अगर suppose that ये आपका UP है, इस UP में if we talk about, if we divide this kind of soil 5 में, तो the equal division will be the 20%, right? But if we talk about that alluvial plain, और इसमें भी हम लोग central plain की बात करेंगे, तो central plain के पास like separately 15 आएगा है ना. No, it is not less than 20. भाबर खादर भी है, चलो उसको for the sake of 20% ऐसे consider कर लो. So that means it is the largest zone, largest covering area, okay, of the Uttar Pradesh. These are spread from west to east in the plain region. So this is something you talked about, how it has been formed. Formation of Gangetic plain soil, geological origin, million gradational process. That means there's a two type of process. Degradation मतलब erosional process, gradational मतलब building up process है ना, opposite है दूसरे का. Building up of the land by the sediment deposition. Geological origin, millions of years ago a deep depression, a fold deep existed between the Himalayas and the Deccan Plateau. Fine. Sedimentation उसके बाद हुआ rivers originating in the Himalayas like Ganga and the southern plateau, like the Son also, of course. Son जैसे कि again uh, everyone needs to understand that Himalayan river are this, but this area, the central plain formation is also contributing by the rivers coming from this zone is actually the parallel river, and it is one of the tributary of after the Yamuna. I think it is the second largest tributary. Okay, okay, fine. So wait a minute. Yeah, so silt and rock and deposition as the river reached the flat plains, their velocity decreased, causing them to drop their sedimentation load. Over time, these layers filled with the depression, reaching depth of 1000 to 3000 meter in some parts of UP. Age-based division क्या है इसका? The formation is ongoing. If still it is ongoing, even that is one of the reason that it is a very nutrient rich, right? Leading to two distinct types of alluvium, Bangar and Khadar. आप इसको जो भी बोल लो, बंगार बोल लो, बांगल बोल लो, द प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज नॉट द प्रॉब्लम, नेवर शुड बी प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली, ओके, अंटिल कि आप बिल्कुल ही बट ठीक है. Bangar and Khadar. Bangar is again, so in that kind of division, we have already divided the three things: the Bhabar, Tarai, Bangar, and BTBK. Khadar. ठीक है, Khadar is the newest one. ठीक है, so characteristic feature क्या है? The alluvial soil of the is a versatility है. Texture कैसा है? Sandy loam in the west to the clay loam in the east. तो suppose that if you are moving from here, इधर ऐसा आपका कैसा है? Sandy loam. Okay, so this PDF or this discussion is not only relevant for the soil also. Suppose that if you are talking about the sandy loam, it is also talking about that climate. ठीक है, western में क्यों है climate? We know that obviously because जो हम लोग अभी नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ सॉइल करेंगे, द एरिड और द सेमी एरिड रीजन, वहां पे आपका कैसा होगा? द टाइप ऑफ सॉइल लाइक नियर योर आगरा वाला रीजन या फिर कनेक्टिंग विद द राजस्थान बॉर्डर एरिया, हरियाणा लिटिल बिट, वहां की सॉइल में देयर इज द एरिड कंडीशन और द सेमी एरिड कंडीशन, right? Because of that, this is your sandy loam. Of course, the sandy loam and the clay loam has a different quality. The absorption quality, the absorption of water quality is different, right? There is different thing. So that is why then it will also differ the type of crop over there, isn't it? ठीक है, it is generally porous and easy to till. Tilling मतलब जो हर साल हर बार करते हैं after the cropping to renew that nutrition. Okay, then the colors ranging from that light gray to ash gray. Chemical profile, this is very important whenever you are covering that, even from your any other aspect. Chemical profile में है rich in the potash, lime and phosphoric acid. Deficient किस में है? So we know that Uttar Pradesh, if you of course if you guys are belonging there, so we know that fertilizers are using by that agricultural or farmers in a good amount. So what is the basic constitute of that fertilizers? We are talking about the fertilizers. There's a difference between the weedicide, insecticide, fertilizers. Do not get confused because I have seen some of the students. They have been confusing in that. Where you have to write about the fertilizers, you have to write only fertilizers. Fertilizer is actually fulfilling the need of that nutrition. Insecticide and weedicides not. Please guys, do not confuse it. Whenever I see the copy, I see that such kind of mistakes. Okay. Yeah, so fertilizers का आपका मेजर क्या होता है? नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस एंड पोटेशियम. ओके फाइन. सो डेफिशिएंट इज योर नाइट्रोजन एंड ह्यूमस और द ऑर्गेनिक लेवल, ऑर्गेनिक मैटर. पीएच कितना है? यूजुअली न्यूट्रल टू स्लाइटली अल्कलाइन ही है, 6.5 to 8.5. न्यूट्रल आपका 7.0 होता है. देन वाटर रिटेंशन, इट हैज अ गुड मॉइस्चर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी. ठीक है, ऑफ कोर्स वाटर के थ्रू ही बन रही है, सो इट हैज अ गुड मॉइस्चर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी. ऑफ कोर्स it this is something just to be in default. If it is a good in the agriculture, they will have a kind of the good water holding capacity, but remains well drained, making it deal for that wide variety of crops. Okay, fine. Then we talk about that major rivers. ये हमने क्या पढ़ा? The combined alluvial soil or the central, not river alluvial soil, the central plain. Okay, major river में आपकी upper region में कौन है? गंगा, यमुना, रामगंगा. मिडिल एरिया में फिर से आती है गंगा, घाघरा, गंडक, गोमती. लोअर में कौन सी आती है? राप्ती, सरयू, सोन एंड लोअर गंगा. Guys, I really want to say this thing that every aspect of this PDF is important. Why? Because if you see the PYQ, you will see in that PYQ there's a question about that lower Ganga region. So that means if suppose that the question is about any specific region, you must know the factual things about it. है ना? What are the districts? What are the major rivers? Which type of climate it is? This is something factual. You have to know that. Okay, so yeah, in that lower or the eastern region, the Rapti, Saryu, Son and lower Ganga. Okay, then we talk about, as we have differentiated here, so now we talking about that Bangar. and then we talk about that khadar. ठीक है, बांगर is your the overall the khadar is the newest one. कैसे कंसीडर करेंगे? खादी का KVIC है ना, खादी विलेज प्रोग्राम जो है आपके चल रहे हैं, दिस इज द न्यूएस्ट वन. जितने न्यू लोग होंगे अभी पीपल आर मूविंग इनटू दैट, है ना. सो दिस इज द न्यू खादर, जैसे भी याद करना, जस्ट रिमेंबर द खादर इज द न्यूएस्ट. फाइन. बांगर में क्या है? उन उत्तर प्रदेश, बांगर और बंगाल, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू प्रोनाउंशिएट, plains represent the older alluvial terrace situated at the higher elevation than the modern flood plains. Again, higher में मतलब इसको बांगर के ऊपर उसके नहीं कंसीडर करना है, ठीक है. Covering the largest portion of the Gangetic Plain, this region is a stable, mature and heart of that North Indian agriculture. Characteristic feature क्या है? It is जो flood free. अच्छा देखो guys, suppose it here I want to, this is your UP map. ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, ललितपुर वाला रीजन है, ठीक है. या तो you have divided भाबर, तराई एंड बांगर, ठीक है. सो बांगर में यहाँ पे कंटिन्यूअस फ्लो है आपके खादर में. So because it is a little bit compared to the Khadar, it is little bit shifted to the north, and not exactly I would say the plateau, of course, because it is a central plain, but compared to the Khadar region where the water is flowing continuously, the Bhangar region is comparatively is a little bit heightened region. Okay, तो अगर वो heightened region पे है तो flood वाली situation जो है which will not be very common in that Bhangar region. ठीक है. So no doubt that Khadar region is good for agriculture because every year renewable. जो आपकी soil, जो आप river देखते हो उत्तर प्रदेश की, यूपी की या किसी स्टेट की, जहां से फ्लो हो रही है, जो उसकी सबसे नियरेस्ट का सेडिमेंटेशन है वो आपका खादर है. थोड़ा ऊपर जाते हैं, जैसे कि हम लोग रिवर से थोड़ा ऊपर जाते हैं तो अ लिटिल बिट देयर इज अ अपलिफ्टमेंट, जहां पे फ्लड तभी आता है जब एक्चुअल देयर इज अ वेरी मच, मतलब नॉर्मल कंडीशन में आता है कि पानी बरस गया और आज पानी आ गया. One actually the condition of the positive iodine, negative iodine, such kind of climatic impact which at a very larger scale, then only the flood comes compared to the Khadar region. Okay, this is something here I wanted to talk about. Okay, then ancient deposit hai compared to the Khadar region. It is an ancient deposition by the Himalayan and the Peninsular River. Thousands of years, no, not about the Peninsular River. Thousands of years with their courses and ancient of their must discharges. Upliftment हो गया है, कर लिया है हमने. This is a characteristic. Even this is one of your question. What are the characteristics? तभी हमें कुछ नहीं समझ आएगा. मैक्स टू मैक्स हम क्या लिख देंगे? सॉइल क्वालिटी लिख देंगे, सॉइल का टेक्सचर लिख देंगे, और बहुत करेंगे तो रिवर इफ यू नो दैट, और हम क्या लिख देंगे उसके बाद? क्रॉप्स. बट दे आर मल्टीपल टाइप, मल्टीपल पॉइंट, एलिवेशन, एंशिएंट डिपोजिशन, वेदर, वेदरिंग. Unlike the Khadar, that is a new elevation which is renewed annually, Bangar soil has undergone extensive weathering and mineral transformation over millennia. टेक्सचर कैसा है? लोमी टू क्ले. कलर कैसा है? टिपिकल डार्कर. कंकर नोड्यूल्स है यहाँ पर है, बट कंपेरेटिव टू उसके कम है. ठीक है. अ डिफाइनिंग फीचर द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कंकर. तराई के ऑफ कोर्स इम्प्योर कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट CaCO3 नोड्यूल्स. आप इसको अगर रिलेट करोगे बहुत नॉर्मल से, सो वी नो दैट सम ऑफ दैट एरिया और द रीजन ऑफ अ लिटिल नॉर्थ, नॉट एग्जैक्ट नॉर्थ, वहां के फार्मर्स का ये प्रॉब्लम है कि सॉइल में आपके कंकर है, एंड कंकर व्हाई इट इज क्रिएटिंग अ लिटिल बिट लेस एफिशिएंट कंपेयर टू द खादर रीजन. बिकॉज हम लोग जब पॉट में कोई प्लांट लगाते हैं तो वी मेक द सॉइल पोरस, है ना. जो आपके स्मॉल प्लांट्स हैं या जो आपकी हब्स, मतलब जो आपकी क्रॉपिंग एवरी ईयर है, दे कैन नॉट पेनिट्रेट और दे कैन नॉट ब्रेक डाउन और देयर रूट्स कैन नॉट एक्चुअली एंटर द कंकर रीजन. ठीक है. सो दैट इज व्हाई वन ऑफ द रीजन द कैल्शियम के आपके जो इसमें है वो डिपोजिशन है. ठीक है. पोरस होने में थोड़ा सा वो करता है. This form due to the leaching or lime into the lower layers of the soil over the long period. Lower layer मतलब when we talk about that horizon, horizon का भी क्वेश्चन है आप में. The soil is rich in humus content, lacks nitrogen and phosphorus, using which is substituting by that NPK fertilizers. Of course, soil structure. भुर नाम याद रखना. In your copy, there should be some specific things which is making the specific to your copy or original of your answer. Okay. Bhur in certain areas like the upper Doab. Then the wind blown sand forms elevated ridges known as bhur. रेह भी बोलते हैं. कलार in drier tracts the poor drainage capillary action brings salts to the surface creating the while barren alkaline patches called रेह. ठीक है. क्रॉप्स कौन सी हैं? बांगर soil is stable and deep. It supports इट सपोज इंटेंसिव डबल क्रॉपिंग, राबी और खरीफ दोनों ही ग्रो कर सकते हैं, ठीक ठाक है, इतना खराब नहीं है। राबी विंटर की क्रॉप में हम व्हीट करते हैं, यहाँ से भी याद कर लो कि ऑफ कोर्स व्हीट इज योर राबी क्रॉप। बार्ले, मस्टर्ड, अभी वाले टाइम जो आपकी वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंसेस चल रही है, राइट, गुड फॉर दैट व्हीट और द राबी क्रॉप। रिमेंबर द फैक्ट्स लाइक दिस शुड नॉट बी प्रिपेयर कि फर्स्ट मेंस करेंगे फिर प्रीलिम्स करेंगे, ठीक है। पल्सेस में भी है, खरीफ में आपका मानसून सीजन, ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज खरीफ जिसमें आपकी शुगर केन, मतलब मानसून सीजन मतलब वो क्रॉप ग्रो करी जा सकती है, दोस क्रॉप कैन ग्रो विच रिक्वायर द गुड अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर। ऐसे तो होता है नेचुरली, ऐसे तो अभी तो क्या है कि कोई भी क्रॉप किसी भी टाइम में हम कर रहे हैं, बट द ओरिजिन, द रियल जो है वो उसकी जो क्रॉपिंग का पैटर्न है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर चेंजिंग क्लाइमेट ही है, सॉरी चेंजिंग वेदर पैटर्न पे ही है, ठीक है। कि अगर मानसून सीजन है तो जनरली उस सीजन में दैट क्रॉप कैन ग्रो बेटर विच रिक्वायर द मोर वाटर, है ना, कैन सस्टेन विद द मोर वाटर, ओके। सो इसमें आपका शुगर केन है, वाटर एक्सटेंसिव क्रॉप भी होती है, वी नो दैट। मेज, मिलेट, राइस नहीं लिखा, राइस भी है इसमें गाइस, माय बैड, बट राइस है इसमें, ठीक है। खरीफ में आपका राइस आता है, राइस भी यहाँ पर होती है। मेज, मिलेट, पिजन पी दैट इज अरहर एंड कैश क्रॉप, पोटैटो एंड टोबैको भी यहाँ पे ग्रो होते हैं, कल्टिवेटेड इन दैट लोमी बांगर ट्रैक्ट्स ऑफ सेंट्रल यूपी, गॉट इट। नाउ खादर सॉइल, द न्यूएस्ट वन हियर, now Bangar has been completed, now we talk about that Khadar soil. Khadar soil in Uttar Pradesh, Khadar or Khaddar, whatever you can pronunciate again, represent the new alluvium. New alluvium, that means renewal every single year. It is a younger, more fertile counterpart to the Bangar soil, and it is found in that low-lying floodplains of that state's major river. So what we know that it is, agar koi soil, if any kind of soil is getting renewed every year, that means if the water level will be high in the river, it will get flooded because it is the closest to the river, है ना, तभी तो हर साल ये रिन्यू हो रही है, fine. So this is your second characteristic, we can write like that. Covering the central plain of the state, which is most fertile region, this is the most fertile region. Khadar is widely considered the most fertile soil in the entire Indo-Gangetic plain because of its self-manuring nature. यही आपका क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है। कैटेगरी फीचर में क्या है, लोकेशन found in that wetlands or riverine tracts जैसे खच्चर that are subject to the frequent flooding. पानी के जितना करीब रहोगे क्योंकि आपको पानी चाहिए, राइट, क्योंकि आपके पानी से जो न्यूट्रिशन है वो हर बार रिन्यू हो रहा है, तो when the water level will increase, the person or the area will get impacted through the flooding. Annual renewal पता है, is an ongoing depositional process tied to that annual monsoon cycle. Every year during the monsoon river overflow their banks, as a flood water recede, they leave behind the fresh layer of that silt, clay and fine sands. There's again one more question, or one more dimension, that there are some positive aspects too of the flood. ठीक है, क्या हो रहा है फ्लड में, सपोज दैट दिस इज अ नॉर्मल रिवर पैटर्न, ये इसका सॉइल है, यहाँ पे तो हर बार जाएगी नहीं, बट व्हेन द वाटर लेवल इंक्रीज the river will extend like this. So now again when the water level, when the flood will go, the water level will come into this original pathway, but this region is getting enriched by the sedimentation because of that overflow of water. This is a good aspect, okay. उसको बस मैनेज करने का थोड़ा सा है करना, उसको हम लोग करेंगे फ्लड का, जब when we do the question फ्लड का separately we do that, okay. Fluvial account, this soil is formed by the mechanical grinding of Himalayan rocks carried downstream by the fast moving river currents and deposited in that lower energy flood plains, okay. Dynamics topography, because it is, इसका second third criteria क्या है आपका, fourth dynamic topography, because